Has just continued on and on and on. Are you Jace Martin?
Yeah.
We went to high school together.
We did?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
We went on a date. You probably shouldn't be here if we went on a date way before I met my husband.
I don't remember. We'll get to that in a minute, though.
What would you do if the officer arriving to arrest you turned out to be someone you dated in high school? In this bizarre domestic case, a dispute over a comic book business escalated into physical violence. From a legal perspective, the suspect's admission of striking the victim's face, even while claiming it was unintentional, is sufficient to establish probable cause for a battery arrest. Let's analyze how this officer handled a high-stakes investigation involving an ex-acquaintance and why a minor mark on a lip carries more legal weight than any explanation.
Is having a day. When he gets upset, it kind of lasts for hours. And I did not do something for his business that cost him money, potential money, for a book that can't even be shipped out for people. He sells comic books. Comic books, yeah. Okay. And he was upset that I did not post the listing, so he has a bunch of books that he's not going to be able to sell, he says. And that anger has just continued on and on and on. Are you Jace Martin?
Yeah.
We went to high school together.
We did?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
We went on a date. You probably shouldn't be here if we went on a date way before I met my husband.
I don't remember. We'll get to that in a minute, though.
Him in the face. It was not intentional, but I admit it did happen.
I gotcha. All right.
Because it was a reaction to the situation. It was not an intentional hit.
How long have you guys been married?
It will be 8 years this July.
Any kids in common or?
One child who's sleeping in the other room.
Okay.
He's 2.5. I'm okay. Please don't touch me. I know you just want to hug me, but I'm okay.
Hey, question. So this domestic battery I'm on, the suspect in it comes outside, and one of the first things she says, she's like, "Are you Jace Morrow?" I'm like, "Yeah, I don't recognize her," but she's initially just starts randomly telling me what's going on. But then she's like, "You shouldn't be here. We went on a date together in high school." I don't remember her for anything, but I don't really know the procedure on that. I don't, her name doesn't ring a bell, but she clearly knows who I am. So as of right now, unless she admits to it, I'm not going to have TC. He's got no injuries or anything like that. But before I go into investigation, I just wanted to run it by you. If I should get someone else to do this, or... No, she's claiming I went to high school with her and went on a date with her. I don't even recognize this person. I mean, it very well could have happened. That was, 15, 20 years ago. So, okay, I'll make sure she knows that. I just wanted to run it by you. Yeah, no, I don't. I can't ring a bell on that one. All right, well, I'm gonna go handle it. Bye. Hey, Natalie?
Yeah.
Did I just talk to my boss? I'm gonna be honest with you. High school was a long time ago.
It was post-high school, but I understand.
I don't remember. Yeah.
I'm just putting it out there in case it's an issue.
Yeah, no. Alright. He's obviously making some allegations, so before I can ask you any questions about some...
I do.
Okay. Having these in mind, you want to tell me what happened tonight, why we're here?
I prefer to be asked questions.
I want to know what's going on.
Well...
What happened from the start?
So what happened from the start is what I was telling you before. He was upset with me because I didn't do something, and I made a mistake. And I'm not exaggerating. He's been upset about it since he found out. He has not calmed down about it. He has gone on and on and on about it, to the point where I'm still sitting there helping him pack the orders for his business, which I get no monetary gain from at all. I help
the comic book business?
Correct.
Okay.
I help him with his business, and he just continued to rattle. Okay?
Okay. At any point in time, did it get physical?
Yes. He spit on me, sir.
Okay.
We've pushed each other back and forth. Things have gotten physical. He also removed my belongings from our bedroom and relocated them to the kitchen, and he kept coming into the mudroom where I was trying to sleep on the floor for the last 2 hours trying to go to sleep, kept banging on the door trying to tell me to leave him alone, when I literally did not leave that room.
At any point in time, did you punch him in the face?
I did not punch him. My hand was open, like I described earlier, when I was trying to grab something from him, and my hand went like this when I was trying to grab it. When I couldn't, and it was not intentional. I did not punch him in the face. It was like with my left hand. I did not hit him with intent. I was trying to grab what he said was my property, because he indicated he ripped something up of mine and said, I hope you don't need this.
So while you guys were fighting over property...
Yes, I tried to grab it, and that's what happened.
Okay.
Yes. I also said I tried to grab a blanket from him that he was going to go throw on the floor, so I took that from him and I fell backwards.
Well, when did he spit on you? Before that, or?
I could look at my phone. I texted my mom when it happened.
I don't need time. Just like when in the altercation?
Within the last hour? Like, it's recent.
Before you?
After that.
Okay.
Was it midnight?
Okay. I'm gonna go talk to him again real quick, alright? Okay. Just hang out here. You in here, man? Alright. Natalie, unfortunately, you're gonna have to be going to jail, okay?
Are you fucking kidding me? Can I get spit on her?
Can I take anything out of my pockets?
Yeah, I'll get it out.
Okay,
She's being arrested.
Okay, excuse me. Will you please take it out?
I will take
you have
it
a
out of your
card?
pocket.
Can my mom?
No, wait, back up, man. Back
Only
up.
before we get arrested too.
Back up. Back up.
That lying mother.
194 Bravo, show me 15. Alright, I'm gonna walk over to my car, I'll take it out. You got a card for it, right?
Excuse me, yeah, it's inside.
Okay, that's fine.
Can I go in and get that?
No,
Sure,
no,
yeah.
It's in my backpack. No, it's in my backpack somewhere.
As long as you have a card,
I do.
we'll put it back, it's fine. Stand right here. What pocket's it in?
Front left. Telephone.
Do you have anything else other than the phone and that?
No, it should be good.
Or just a pen?
Yeah, it should be two.
As long as I see the card and everything like that, we'll just... Oh, grab that.
Fine.
As long as we see the card and everything, we'll just put that back, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we won't mess with it. Nothing,
Yeah,
no waistband or anything like that? Alright. Come back here, sit down. Oh, let me just lock these real quick, make sure they don't. Want your feet? Keep up there real quick. Alright, where do you think you have?
My bottom lip. I know. I can feel
Close
there's a
your eyes.
mark.
Close your eyes.
I can feel there's a mark.
I don't see any red marks.
Great. Well, I can't point, but it's fine. If there's no marks, I mean, I don't know about the rest of my body.
Where are you?
We struggled, so I use my legs, I use my arms to try to get away. So
Okay.
I don't know if I roll up my pant legs, if there's anything on my pants. I'm not saying there is, but I'm saying I don't know that there isn't.
Okay. Alright, well, when we get to county, we can look, alright? And if there's anything there, I'll document it, alright? But as of right now, you're not showing anything. The bottom of your lip's not even red.
Okay.
Alright?
I understand.
Alright.
So I have to take it out?
Is it the card?
Yes, it is.
You cool with just giving it to Mom? Yeah. There you go. There you go.
Not a problem.
Yeah, no, do you want her to have her wallet there? Or her ID anyways?
Whatever she needs, and what do I need to do?
Well, so she's going to go there. She'll be able to call you. It's domestic, so she's going to have to see a judge. But yeah, so she doesn't need anything other than this.
what about him spitting on her?
I'll document it in the report, but there's
But
no
that's
injuries.
not abuse?
He's saying he didn't do it. I don't have any injuries. There's nothing I can
And
do.
there's no
about it.
injuries on him either.
He has an injury on his lip. That's why she's going to jail.
That's from his son.
Okay, well, I'm just letting you know that's
from
why.
the 2-year-old.
She can fight all this in court, okay? Alright. Have you ever been arrested before, Natalie? Alright.
I'm gonna give them the pamphlet for you and explain to them.
Appreciate it. Let me get you a case number. Hold on one sec. And record. You said
Felony, domestic battery, subsequent offense, if applicable, misdemeanor, domestic battery, disorderly conduct.